This is my Ford Transit.
Seeing Brian's van built in the Ford Transit, it really is inspiring to me. I have made this Smart Woodshop my smallest so far. In fact, that's what SMART stands for. It's small, mobile, awesome rolling toolbox, smaller than Art and smaller than my trailers and trucks and vans previous. It is interesting to see that Brian actually had a 12-foot trailer and a van that he worked out of before, and now he's consolidated it all into a single Ford Transit. A great concept, and there's so many people in the Smart Woodshop fam around the world that have different needs. And what is small for me might be way too big for some people working in some environments, say in a city, a highly populated area where there isn't parking and room to do that stuff. Maybe you've got to go smaller and smaller and just really think it through. Of course, other people would look at my trailer and go, oh my gosh, how do you do it in a 12-foot trailer? I need 18 or 20, or I can't even do it in a trailer. So I am getting a lot out of these Smart Woodshop tours. As I edit and go through them, I'm able to look at every little detail, and I'm hoping that that's getting conveyed to the rest of the Smart Woodshop fam, so that no matter what you're trying to come up with, again, whether you've got a big fixed shop or working out of a station wagon, that some of these ideas will be able to help you be more lean, more efficient, more productive. If you want to build yourself a Smart Woodshop or a smart station, workbench, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
Roll out drawers. Pull out cabinets just like Ron Polk. Everything's labeled. Don't have cases for anything anymore. Everything are cubbies. I had extra space down here, so I have just other little things in these cabinets. Easy access to my cordless Milwaukee saw, my stand right here. Just have to pull this up. Table saws under there. Made some battery holders. This plugs into the front, so only when I'm driving the vehicle's on, I can charge my batteries. Extra storage up here, more storage there. I don't have any cases anymore for any of my power tools. I have all my fasteners here at a pickup. You pull them out. Kind of a shelf for catch-alls and things like that. Extra fasteners, bolts, saws. My track saw guides are up there with clamps. My 6-foot level's up there. My main toolbox is right here. So when I go to a job, this is always empty to start. I throw my tools in here as I need them. Finish carpentry, mainly. I do some rough construction, some demolition. I just take that cart and I roll it right down the ramp. Now if I go around to the side, have my compressor, some garbage bags, my Festool track saw. Got to have a microwave. I just have to plug that into the house. I don't have an AC unit here on board. Extra work table, some sawhorses. Above the area here, I have all my drop cloths up there. Haven't finished yet with shelves there. I also made a little compartment for my notepads, pens. I built this out a little bit longer in the front here so that I could get 12-foot material in a 10-foot truck. As you can see, that goes to the front, so I can get 12-foot pieces of trim in here. Little bench here that I can do some work, organize some things when I put things away. I used to have a van and a 12-foot trailer. That's the 12-foot trailer. I don't need the trailer anymore, and I don't need the van anymore, and everything fits in the transit. I've had this set up for about 3 years now, and it works really, really well for me. I'm a finished carpenter, general contractor, and I got a lot of these ideas from Ron Polk as far as the drawers, the handle pulls, how to build the drawers, the glides, how to organize everything with no restraints. I can get on the job and off the job real quick, back in the truck organized, and it keeps everything where I need it, when I need it. And I know if I left something on the job, because there's a hole, one of my tools wouldn't be there. This system took me about 3 months to build, and every month I'm changing or adding something else to it. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed Brian's Ford Transit Smart Woodshop, then be sure to give him a thumbs up. And in the comments, just thank him for taking the time to make this video. And if you have any questions, I'm sure that Brian would be happy to answer them for you. Also, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of the future Smart Woodshop tours that are coming up. If you'd like to add your Smart Woodshop to this tour, then just grab your smartphone, turn it horizontal, walk through, give us a tour, make sure we see your mug, and then just Dropbox it to me. I'll take care of editing it and getting it up. Thanks for dropping into my Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.